In a world of extremes, where challenges rise with the terrain, you need a tool that is not just capable, but rugged, reliable, ready. Our payload integrates a high-resolution electro-optical camera, a powerful infrared thermal imager, and a precision laser rangefinder for absolute mission clarity. 3 distinct spectrums, 1 payload, infinite possibilities. Navigate complex urban and natural landscapes with confidence, thanks to intelligent 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Your reach is no longer a limitation. From dense urban landscapes to the most remote wilderness, Vana extends your vision, with an operational range extending up to 24 kilometers. Our AI-powered system delivers advanced autonomous tracking, keeping a lock on your target no matter the environment. Revolutionize asset management with precision inspection, safely and efficiently assess critical infrastructure from bridges to power grids. Identify faults and anomalies, invisible to the naked eye, maximizing uptime and ensuring safety with data you can trust. Enhance worksite safety and security day or night and secures the perimeter, providing a constant, vigilant watch over your valuable assets and team. In the most demanding theaters, Vana stands as a steadfast guardian, across every landscape and in any condition, providing critical overwatch and tactical support. It is a vital ally in guarding frontiers, delivering essential situational awareness that protects troops and guides convoys, ensuring mission success across every mile of unforgiving, difficult terrain. Revolutionizing industries, from precision agriculture to public safety. This is all-terrain dominance. IZI Vana, engineered for extreme.